Solve the linear inequality, then graph the solution and write the solution in interval notation. So if you see, our inequality here has parentheses on the left side and the right side of the inequality. So we're going to have to use a distributive property. Let's go ahead and do that. So we have to here on the left side distribute the 3. So 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 7, 21. This remains the same, plus 12x, greater than, here we have to distribute the 2. So 2 times 5x, that's 10x, minus 2 times 12 is 24. Now we need to combine like terms on the left side of the inequality. So we have 3x plus 12x, which is 15x, plus 21, and there's nothing here to combine, 10x minus 24. Now I have x on the left side and the right side of the inequality. So I need to make sure that everything, all the x is on one side of the inequality. So I can take the 10x to the left side. So we subtract 10x on both sides. This gives us 15x minus 10x is 5x plus 21 greater than, this cancels out, and you're left with negative 24. Now we need to move this to the other side of the inequality. So we need to subtract 21 on both sides. So that gives us 5x, this cancels out, greater than negative 24 minus 21. So negative, we're going to add the absolute value. 24 plus 21 is 45. So negative 24 minus 21 is negative 45. Now we need to isolate the variable. So we have to divide by 5 on both sides of the inequality. So we divide by 5. And that gives us x greater than negative 45 divided by 5 is negative 9. And we just solved the inequality. Now to graph the solution, let's go ahead and graph this. Now this is a little bit larger than the negative side, so 2, 3, 4. Here we have negative 5. And here's negative 10. So the solution is greater than negative 9, which means negative 9 is not included in the solution. Again, it's not included in the solution because we have greater than. We don't have greater than or equal. So we're going to have a parentheses on negative 9. And the solution is greater than negative 9, which means anything to the right of negative 9. So here's our graph. Now we need to write the solution in interval notation. The smallest value we can have is negative 9. So we're going to have negative 9 here and then parentheses before that because negative 9 is not included in the solution. And it's going from negative 9 to anything larger than negative 9, which is infinity. So here's my solution in interval notation. Parentheses negative 9 to infinity.